This is Carl from the Center for Excellence in Teaching and Learning, and this is a quick tech tip. Have you ever had to do a quick screen grab or screen capture of an image on your computer? It could be anything from a picture, a piece of a website, or maybe even, you want to get a picture of the error warning that has come up on your desktop. There's a pretty simple way to do that on your PC, and we're going to go over that now, and it's called the Snipping tool. To find it, just go to your Windows button in the bottom right-hand corner and move up. You can see here I use mine often, so it's right there ready for me to use. If you don't see it up there, go ahead and type Snipping into your search bar and you'll see that it comes up. So go ahead and open it. And once that it's opened, you'll see that my mouse here is in the shape of a crosshair. So this will allow me to draw the shape in the section of the screen that I want to do. So go ahead and just set that up into my top hand corner, and I'm going to left click and hold, and then you can see the area that becomes sort of unhazed or clear to see is the area that my snipping tool is going to capture. So I'm just going to sort of grab this part of our website and let go of that. And you can see right away it sort of creates this JPEG image. Now, I do have a couple more tools at my disposal here. If I wanted to use a pen, perhaps I could mark some of this up for others to see. I just want to, let's highlight our name, or there's a highlighter tool here as well. So if I wanted to maybe point to areas that someone could work with. And again, I'm using my mouse, so some of these annotation tools might be sketchy, but if you had a touchscreen or something, it might make it a little easier to use. And you've got the eraser here if you've made a mistake. Now the thing with the eraser, it'll take away a whole line as opposed to a part of a line. So when I click on that, you can see like that whole line disappears. So once you're all set and happy with what your image did there, you can go up here into the save. And if I scroll down here, you can see that the whole image that I grabbed off my computer is there. And I'm just going to save that. It's going to save it as a standard JPEG file, so you'll be able to use this image like you would in any other picture, whether it be in a PowerPoint or share in an email or what have you. Just remember that you want to take into consideration certain copyright laws, make sure that your pictures that you use or capture aren't brushing up against any copyright laws and you've got fair usage of that particular product. So I'm just going to save this as test capture for our video. And once I'm done there, I can save it, and it'll save it in that JPEG for me, which is ready to use. And that's pretty much it. If you have any questions about this particular tool or anything about teaching in general, feel free to reach out to us at the center at CETL@une.edu. Be well and have a great day.